Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Uni, where today, we're diving deep into the world of Amazon selling. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between Amazon Private Label, PL, and Amazon Wholesale. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of which approach might be right for you. First up, let's talk about Amazon Private Label. This approach is all about creating your brand, your products, and your unique identity on the Amazon platform. One of the biggest benefits of private label is product customization. You get to design, brand, and tweak your products to your heart's content. Plus, with private label, you have more control over pricing and listings. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Building a brand from scratch and marketing it can be a significant challenge. It also requires a higher upfront investment. Now, let's explore Amazon Wholesale. This method involves buying products from established brands or distributors and selling them on Amazon. With Wholesale, you don't have to worry about product creation. You source popular products already on the market. This can save you time and effort. It's a quicker way to get started on Amazon. But, it also means more competition, and you'll be selling the same products as many other sellers. You have less control over branding and pricing. So, how do you decide which path to choose? Well, it depends on your goals, resources, and risk tolerance. If you're an entrepreneur who loves creating brands and products and can invest in building a business, private label might be for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a faster, lower-risk entry point into the Amazon marketplace, Wholesale might be a better fit. In the end, the choice between Amazon Private Label and Amazon Wholesale depends on your unique circumstances and goals. Whichever path you choose, remember that success on Amazon requires dedication, research, and hard work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights into the world of e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.